When it comes to jotting down ideas or organizing tasks, Apple Notes and Notion stand on very different ground. You guys already know that Apple Notes is tightly woven into the Apple ecosystem, but it stops there, locked to iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Notion, meanwhile, started as a note-taking app, but has grown into a powerful all-in-one productivity hub, and it's accessible on almost any device. So, if you're willing to use a note-taking tool right now, which one actually deserves your time? Of course, we're starting with the interface. On one side, Apple Notes has received a significant refresh this year with its new liquid glass design. It actually feels modern, clean, and intuitive. Apple Notes offers a more structured space for capturing ideas. Whether you prefer the clean list view or the neat gallery view, everything sits on a subtle, paper-like backdrop. The layout remains consistent across iPhone, iPad, and Mac, with folders and notes arranged in a clear hierarchy. This design naturally pushes you toward building a well-organized archive over time. Having used Apple Notes for years, we can say its simple, user-friendly interface is a big part of the appeal. On the other hand, opening Notion for the first time, you'll see a blank canvas, which is both its biggest advantage and its most intimidating feature. The interface is built on a system of blocks. Every paragraph, image, or checklist is a block that you can drag and drop. This gives you complete freedom to design your pages exactly how you want. While it's incredibly powerful once you've built your system, the initial setup can feel like a job in itself. In our opinion, for pure speed and ease of use, Apple Notes has the edge, but for customizing the interface, Notion is better. Beyond the looks, what can you actually do inside a note? Apple Notes, especially on an iPad with an Apple Pencil, offers a best-in-class handwriting and sketching experience. The new Read Pen option for calligraphy is a nice touch, and the ability to search your handwritten text is incredibly useful. A major update is the integration of audio recording with live transcription and AI-powered summaries directly within a note. This is a big blow for meetings or lectures. Formatting is straightforward, with basic options like bold, checklists, and tables, which is enough for most daily note-taking. However, when you move over to Notion, the definition of a note expands dramatically. Using its block system, a single note can contain not just text and images, but also fully functional databases, Kanban boards, calendars, and code snippets. You can create toggles to hide information, build complex tables with formulas, and format your text with columns and callout boxes. Notion doesn't have native handwriting support, which is a significant drawback for those who prefer it. But for typing, its feature set is far more extensive. While Apple Notes is perfecting the traditional note, Notion is redefining what a note can be, making it a dynamic document rather than a static page. Of course, taking notes is one thing, but finding them again is the real challenge. Apple Notes uses a familiar and effective system: folders, subfolders, and tags. You can organize your notes just like you would files on a computer. The addition of smart folders is a powerful feature, allowing you to create folders that automatically pull in notes based on criteria you set, like tags or dates. It's a simple, clean, and highly functional system that works without requiring much thought. Notion's approach to organization, however, is on another level of complexity and power. It relies on a system of nested pages, where any page can contain endless other pages inside it, like a set of Russian nesting dolls. This allows you to build your own personal wiki. The true power, though, comes from its databases and backlinks. You can create a database of all your meeting notes and then link specific action items to a separate task database. This relational linking creates a web of interconnected information, a true second brain. While this is incredibly powerful for managing large, complex projects, it can also become a tangled mess if not managed carefully. For simple, set-it-and-forget-it organization, Apple Notes is the clear winner in our books. For building a complex, interconnected knowledge base, nothing beats Notion. When it comes to adding media, both apps are capable, but they serve different purposes. Apple Notes makes it very easy to drag and drop images, attach PDFs, or use the built-in document scanner to quickly digitize physical papers. It's perfect for capturing receipts, whiteboards, or documents on the go. You can even watch embedded links directly within a note. It handles the basics of media attachment flawlessly. Notion, true to its nature, takes this a step further. It doesn't just let you attach media, it lets you embed live, interactive content from across the web. You can embed a Google Map, a Spotify playlist, a Figma design, or a Miro board directly into your note. This turns your page into a central dashboard for a project, rather than just a place to store files. While Apple Notes is great for static attachments, Notion excels at creating rich, dynamic documents that integrate with your other digital tools, making it a more versatile hub for media-rich projects. Speaking of dynamic, let's get into the biggest topic of 2025: artificial intelligence. Both platforms have made huge strides here. Apple has integrated Apple Intelligence directly into Notes. You can select text and ask it to summarize, proofread, or rewrite it in a different tone. It also provides smart summaries for your audio transcriptions. Because much of the processing happens on-device, it has strong privacy advantages. It feels like a helpful assistant that's built right into the operating system. Notion AI, on the other hand, is more mature and deeply woven into the fabric of the application. It can do all the same writing and summarizing tasks, but its real power lies in its ability to work across your entire workspace. You can ask Notion AI questions like, "Summarize all my meeting notes from the last week about Project Phoenix," and it will scan multiple pages to give you an answer. Its new database features can also use AI to automatically tag or summarize new entries. A massive update for 2025 is that Notion now has an offline mode, which was its most requested feature, though its AI capabilities still require an internet connection. In our view, Apple Intelligence is perfect for quick, in-note assistance, while Notion AI is a more powerful research and analysis tool for your entire knowledge base. Now for some of the unique tricks each app has up its sleeve. Apple Notes has the fantastic Quick Note feature, where you can swipe up from the corner of your iPad to instantly jot down a thought without leaving the app you're in. Its built-in document scanner is also incredibly convenient and effective. Notion's standout features are all about connection and customization. The ability to interlink pages by simply typing @ and the name of another page is what allows you to build a personal wiki so effortlessly. Its rich content embedding, as we mentioned, is another superpower. And finally, Notion's massive ecosystem of templates means you can instantly set up a complex system for anything from a content calendar to a personal CRM without having to build it from scratch. So, to wrap all that up, let's break it down. So, which is better? Honestly, they're for different people. If you're in the Apple ecosystem and need a fast, simple tool for quick notes and handwriting, Apple Notes is your winner. But if you want a powerful, cross-platform workspace to manage complex projects and collaborate with a team, Notion is unbeatable. Which one fits your workflow? Let us know in the comments below and tell us why. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.